Hey there, it's Jeannie. In this tutorial, I will show you how to draw a baby dino. Don't forget to like and subscribe, so you don't miss any future uploads. Dinos lived on the earth an eon ago, and now, they exist only in stories. Imagine a small, happy dino living in an old forest. With large eyes and small tails, some have bright scales or even feathers. These tiny dino babies are as adorable as little pets, relying on their parents for guidance and care. They play in the water and lay in the sunshine. They eat leaves and insects. Their skin is textured with bumps in shades of green and yellow. These dinos are playful and curious, and learn about their world, which is full of big dinos. See you in the next video.